in what is being seen as a controversial statement, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has advocated that people should have more than 2 children as human resource is an important asset for the future. Let's listen into what he said.
డాక్రా సంఘాలది ప్రపంచమే ఆశ్చర్యపడ్డారు. వాళ్ళు ఒక మాట అన్నారు, ఎక్కడా 10 ఏళ్లలో కుటుంబ నియంత్రణ జయప్రదం కాలేదు, ఒక్క ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ లో జయప్రదం అయిందని చెప్పే పరిస్థితికి వచ్చారు. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ దూరదృష్టితో ఆలోచించాను. అందరూ కుటుంబ నియంత్రణ చేసుకున్నారు కానీ ఇప్పుడు వచ్చిన పిల్లలు అసలు పెళ్లిళ్ళు వద్దని కొంతమంది అంటారు. ఒకవేళ పెళ్లిళ్ళు
Let's go to our correspondent Uma Sudhir in Hyderabad for more details on this. Uma, isn't this a completely bizarre statement? It's even controversial. The Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister is advocating that people should have more children where, clearly India's population, the government is trying to, for many, many years now, they're trying to control the population explosion. India's population, in fact, currently stands at 1.3 billion. And it is even, expected to surpass China as the most populous nation very soon. So, in the light of that, what do you have to say about this?
Chandrababu Naidu this is not the first time that Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu is asking people to increase the population of the state. While it may sound controversial, the logic and the rationale that he has been presenting is the fact that there is something called a population dividend, and if you have younger population, you have that dividend. And he is pointing out that countries like China, Japan and even Europe have a situation where they have an older population and the youth population is not high enough, and that's the reason why he has been advocating that people should have more number of children. This particular instance he was addressing Dwakra, or rather self-help group women, and he was telling them that if earlier there was a ban on people having more than 2 children contesting the panchayat elections, the local body elections, and now that ban, he says, as a policy decision they have removed, and even if you have 4 children, you can contest the panchayat elections. What he is also pointing out is that there was an earlier era where Andhra Pradesh was lauded for being one of those states where within 10 years span, they were able to bring down the total fertility rate drastically from 3.8 to about 3.6 to about 1.8, and that was seen as a huge achievement. So he points out that while the number of births is actually less than the number of deaths that are happening right now, and that's the reason why in time to come we will not have that population advantage of having younger children, a younger population, and therefore he's asking people to have more kids. So even in 2015, when he had made this public appeal, and even before that when he had spoken about population dividend that India has and asked people in Andhra Pradesh specifically, he told these women that you must have as a service to the nation at least 1 child each, because in these days youngsters don't want to get married. Even if they get married, they don't want to have children, and he says that's a very dangerous trend for the country. But some other people have been pointing out, critics have been pointing out, saying that he's basing his argument on the wrong premises. While they agree that the total fertility rate in Andhra Pradesh has come down drastically, they point out that even now, for a state like Andhra Pradesh and even India, 50% of the population is less than 25 years of age, and therefore there is no such danger, and therefore there is no reason for the Chief Minister to advocate people to have more children as of now.